Hello?
Hello po. Good morning, PPJ.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes.
Anong pangalan?
Okay lang naman screen name, PPJ, no? Lagay mo na lang po dyan, Sunflower.
Give me a little
Car City.
Bigyan mo ako ng mas pangalan. Ayoko ng mga ganyan. Ayoko na Miss Virgo,
Pangalan,
Miss
no?
ano. Kahit hindi mo
Talaga?
pangalan, basta pangalan. Kasi ayoko na
sige na nga lang.
nag-uusap tayo tapos tatawagin Sunflower.
Oo nga, no?
Kahit anong pangalan. Doesn't have to be your
Sige po.
name.
MJ na lang po. Sige, go. Go
MJ.
ahead po.
Si MJ.
That's my nickname.
Siguro ang pangalan mo ay Michael Joseph. Charot. MJ, ilang taon ka na, ma'am?
36 po.
At nasaan ka ngayon?
I am here in Car City, Cebu.
Cebu yan, di ba?
Bisaya po.
Bisaya, dili kaluoy, dili kaluoy.
Ay, dili, yun. Di kidluoy.
Dili, gwapa.
Ay, syempre. Mura ikaw, gwapo.
Ano ba yung gwapa?
Maganda. Para
Ano?
si DJ Kata. Dapat sabihin mo yan kay Kara. Gwapa ka, ayok ka.
Gwapa kaayo.
Ah,
Oo. Sinabihan ko siya ng gwapa, no? Sabi niya sa akin, ikaw, sabi niya, ikaw, sabi niya, lami. Ano yung lami?
sarap mo daw.
Hindi, masarap pakinggan. Hindi ako masarap. Masarap pakinggan pag sinabihan ka ng gwapa, lami.
Wala. Wala kasi siyang karugtong. So, dapat may karugtong yun.
Ano ba? Paano ba dapat sabihin yan? Paano sabihin?
Kung yun yung meaning niya, yung context niya na masarap pakinggan, dapat sinabi niya, ay, lami, paminawon.
Ayon, lami, paminawon. Lami kaayo.
Pero yung tono na yan, hindi yan sa Cebu, yan ay from Ilonggo, yung kausap mo kanina.
Ay, sorry. Ay, no. Si MJ, Bisaya. Diyan ka talaga born and raised.
Yes, in Cebu, pero dito sa Car hindi.
Okay.
Talisay ako.
Talisay. What do you do, MJ? Ay, alam mo, people from Cebu, di ba, are tawag nito, are fluent in English. You have a very good intonation and diction. Kasi yung tono ng yung Cebuano, pag in English mo siya, maganda yung punto eh. Di ba?
Yun nga daw sabi po nila, PPJ. I am working sa DepEd. Actually, hindi ako nakatulog kasi sobrang aga kong natulog dahil sa pagod ko kahapon na 2 days activities namin. And I just randomly scroll sa Facebook. Tagal ko na kasi po kayong pina-follow, tsaka si DJ Kara. And I just really love your words of wisdom na talagang punto per punto. Gusto ko kitang DJ kasi alam mo yung wala talaga siyang, yung walang preno. Like, you talk from the heart and from your mind.
Salamat. I'm not comfortable being commended, so let's talk about your problem. Anyways, you work for DepEd, no?
Yes po. Sa
Talaga?
training and development section. Pero nagra-racket din po ako ng hosting. Plus DJ din ako before pero sobrang lang yan. Sobrang bilis lang nun.
Talaga?
Sa Hot FM. Kaya I wanna feel na ako naman yung caller ngayon.
Cebu, no? Alam mo, saan ba nagpunta dyan sa may, ano ba yun yung dadaan ka? Nung nagpunta ako dyan sa Cebu, dinala kami sa plantation ng dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Oo.
Sa southern part.
Oo, tapos, di ba, may plantation ng dragon fruit. Tapos, di ba, halfway yun, parang 2 hours from Cebu yun, di ba? Tapos another 2 hours, yung beach, pupuntahan namin. Hindi namin alam na yung dragon fruit pala, anong tawag nun? Anong tawag doon yung nakakapagpa-jebs? Anong tawag doon? Laxative. Laxative.
Oo.
Laxative. It's a very powerful laxative pala ang dragon fruit.
Especially if sensitive yung tiyan nyo.
Oo. Tapos parang after 30 minutes it takes effect, di ba? Parang ganon. So, ang sarap kasi ng dragon fruit. Nakatatlong baso kami ng mga kasama ko. Ang laka.
Oh my God, that's too much.
Oo.
Okay na mga isang baso siguro.
Pagdating sa destinasyon, nag-aaway-aaway sila kung sino mauuna mag-CR.
Buti hindi ka dumiretso sa beach.
Hindi ako,
PPJ.
hindi sumakit tiyan ko noon kasi wala pa akong kain. Walang ilalabas.
Okay.
Sila yung, ayoko ng pangalanan kasi dati kong ka-work. Pero masarap yung dragon fruit sa Cebu, no?
Akala ko isa-segue mo na naman si dragon fruit ng buhay mo eh.
Ikaw ang nag-segue. Wala kang ibang ginawa mag-segue. Ba't tayo magkausap, MJ?
Ayun. Kasi kanina pa, PPJ, habang nagsuscroll ako, before ko po nakita yung mga post niya sa Reels, ay na-disturb ako sa mga comments sa isang pinost din ng sa TikTok. Parang bago silang kinasal, puro sila babae. And I read the comments, sobrang hateful comments. Ang dami-daming mga bashers, mayroon ng mga biblical na mga nag-ano. Pero na-disturb ako. I know I am not the type of person na nagja-judge. Of course, wala tayo dun sa disposition na mag-judge, lalo na sa situation ko ngayon. Pero nung tiningnan ko nga, yung para kasi silang nakadamit na pambabae.
Wait lang. So just to put me into context, ano. You are reacting to a post or an issue that you saw online and you were bothered by people's reaction to an event of two women marrying each other. Tama?
Yeah,
At nakarelate ka. Tama?
At nakarelate ako.
Okay, doon tayo sa part.
Yes.
Doon tayo sa part na nakarelate ka. Kasi wag natin pag-usapan 'yon, no? Kasi it will be convoluted, ano. Ba't ka nakarelate?
My partner for 16 years is a lesbian. It's just that hindi kami puro babaeng magdamit, no. Pero still the same pa rin yung context. She is a female. So 16 years na kami, we adopted a child, si Angel. 13 years old na siya.
Okay.
Since birth na sa amin yan. Kaya ako nakwento yung napanood ko sa TikTok kasi after nung post na yon is yung post mo, which is sobrang tumpok yung yung advice mo doon sa caller. So,
anong post ko, ma'am? Alin doon po?
It's not really about, hindi siya konektado doon ha, pero I love your wisdom about you being a breadwinner. Kasi ako breadwinner din ako eh. Kaya doon na ako na, uy, ang galing ng taong to. Ang galing magpayo. Parang gano'n. Gusto ko lang marinig yung disposition mo about sa same-sex na relationship.
Okay. For me to make myself a part of that discussion, kasi ganito yan, Ma'am, bibigyan kita ng context ha, kung bakit may apprehension ako ha. Okay lang?
Sure.
Ganito po yan, ma'am. Ako malakas pang loob ko magbigay ng payo kasi kayo lumapit sa akin. You will never see me give advice to people that do not need my advice or not asking for it. Marami pang gumagawa niya ngayon, di ba? Yung kukuha ng topic online, papayuhan, hindi naman humingi sa akin. Hindi ko ginagawa yan, ma'am. The only time nakikialam mo po ako pag hindi ako kasama, pag politika o kaya pera ng bayan. Kasi nagbayad akong buwis, okay lang yon. Alright, now, the only way for me to react to this, if this is your problem. Now, if it's your problem at bothered ka doon, kasi syempre, member ka ng community na yan, tama?
That's true.
And you felt the need to defend, kumbaga, someone from your community. Parang ganun, ano?
That's true.
Okay. And this is your way. No? You want to have a conversation. I appreciate this. No?
Yeah. That is why, PPJ, my intro is okay lang bang mag-call kahit hindi naman problema. I just need somebody to talk to kasi magiging sort of problem ko na siya kasi hindi ako nakatulog because of that post. So
Gets ko naman,
that is why I called up.
Gets ko naman. Now, I have a question for you.
Sure.
Okay. Why is there a need for you to be a part of that conversation?
Which one? Yung sa babae?
Yeah.
Actually, PPJ, hindi ako nag-comment, hindi din ako nag-react.
The fact that we are tonight talking about this, that's simply an indicator that you want to be a part of that conversation. I just want to know why is there a need for you to be a part of that conversation?
knowing somebody like you na nilulook up ng karamihan, no? I know na your disposition na you don't wanna talk about it because kung wala namang problema, walang dapat pag-usapan. But here I am calling. So, ang gusto ko lang po, sanang marinig from you or from our listeners right now. Bakit may mga taong hinuhusgahan kami sa community? For example, ako, PPJ, nag-hosting din ako eh. I do hosting, I do gigs, and maraming nagsasabi sa akin na, sayang ka MJ kasi may tsura ka pa naman, tapos ganyan yung mo, yung
Sabi
yung
sa'yo,
partner mo.
sabi sa'yo may tsura ka. Dapat sinabi
Pero
mo,
may
lahat
mga-
may
may mga
tsura.
ganyan.
Yung pinsa ko nga, mukhang tabo, may tsura pa rin. Dapat naman, charot lang.
Yun nga, hindi naman sa ano.
Hindi.
These are-
Ang point ko
these
dito,
are, raw.
MJ, ang point ko dito, ma'am, is that of course, we are going to have this conversation. And that this is a very intelligent conversation. I like these kinds of conversation. But for us to go on and have this conversation, it has to be in the premise that this is your situation. Hindi yung plight ng ibang tao ang mag-uusapan natin. It shouldn't be the plight of other people that we're going to talk about. It has to be you.
That's true.
Okay, now,
Yes.
kaya ang tinatanong ko po sa'yo, why is there a need for you to become a part of that conversation? Ang sabi mo, because you're a part of that community, that's why bothered ka. So, nire-relate mo siya sa buhay mo. Tama.
That's true.
Kasi kung yan ang panggagalingan natin, hindi lang sa mga LGBTQ may ganyang issue, lahat na. Di ba? Lahat na. That's very much in general. Now, I get what you want. What you want to ask from me, no? Yung tanong mo po kasi na ba't may mga taong judgmental? Well, we cannot control what other people or the world would think about us. Hindi natin yan kontrolado. And furthermore, it is not para i-validate natin sa ibang tao to seek approval from them what will make us happy kung wala naman tayong inaapakang ibang tao. Now, in your case, you have been happily committed to your partner for like a decade and a half. Tama?
Yes, almost 16 years this
Okay.
July.
So I can simply assume, pasensya ka na kung nagbaga-assume ako, that for 16 years you did not allow anybody, 'di ba?
Yes.
Na
Yes.
kumbaga na yung opinion ng ibang tao na mag-define ng relationship ninyo. You just went along with it, you were happy with each other, 'di ba? You were unbothered by other people's opinion. Tama mali?
Tama yan.
So
Tama
why
yan.
is there a need for you to become a part of this conversation kung okay ka naman pala?
Okay. Kaya po, yun yung yun yung intro ko kanina. Anyway, I just really want, alam ko hindi ka komportable sa mga
No po, hindi.
conversation.
No. Hindi po sa hindi ako komportable. Kasi po ganito yan, ma'am, Ang lagi ko po kasing ma'am, pag may kausap po ako dito, ano bang ina-achieve natin ngayong gabi? Do you
I understand.
Do you just want my opinion? But because I can give you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Sige.
That was actually my question. Yung opinion niyo po, yung from PPJ talaga na parang raw na opinion mo about it.
Okay, sige, ma'am. Ganito, magpapaka-professor muna ako. Kailang, ma'am?
Sige po.
Okay, ma'am. Ganito, The norm is ever evolving. Okay? Kunyari, professor, kasi nagturo po ako tinuro ko naman to. Diba? My favorite subject was sociology. But anyways, ma'am, the norm is ever changing. Alright? What's normal today may not be normal 20 years ago. What was normal 20 years ago may not be normal 100 years ago. Gets, ma'am? So, ang norm po is ever evolving. What is normal today may not be normal 50 years from now. Alright? With that being said, ma'am, ba't ba nagbabago ang norm? Let's study sociology. Favorite subject ko ito. Ba't ba nagbabago ang norm? Norm is dictated by tradition. Okay? Yeah. Affected by people's acceptance to tradition. So halimbawa, ma'am, 50 years ago, hindi ka tanggap-tanggap na magpakasal ng dalawang taong same-sex, tama? Traditionally, ang babae para sa lalaki, ang lalaki para sa babae, until tinanggap natin unti-unti at it became the norm. Tama, mali?
True.
2-3 years ago, na nag-pandemic, hindi ko alam ano nakain ng mundo. May mga taong ang normal sa kanila ay tawagin na silang they, them. Diba? But hindi pa siya normal ngayon in general.
Yes.
It's not a societal norm. So, nasa pagtanggap natin yan. So, hindi pa tinatanggap ng mundo yan. No? So, that affects the society's norm. Now, kung ang tanong mo po sa akin ngayon, ma'am, ay bakit ganun yung ibang tao? Because we are at that crossroads where we are trying to define who we are as a generation. Nandun tayo sa crossroad na yun eh. We are still trying to define who we are as a generation. No? You are 36 years old, maybe you've been through 3 generations, no? Tama, di ba? 90s, millennial, di ba? Yung mga millennials, tapos yung mga Gen Z. Nakita mo lahat yan eh. Walang ibang pagkakataon sa history ng tao that the division of generation is more evident than today. Noong unang panahon, minor, tsaka adult. Wala nang iba. Tama?
Tama.
Nowadays, mayroon tayong boomer, may Gen Z, mayroong millennial, mayroong mayroong zillennial, ang dami na ngayon. And we are all defined, 'di ba? We are all defined by this yung tags na yan, no? And you are supposed to act a certain way if you think you belong to a certain you belong to a certain bracket. Furthermore, mag-aral tayo, taga-DepEd ka naman, tiyaga ka dito. Furthermore, within those generational bracket are sub-brackets. Halimbawa, sa mga boomer, di ba? Iba yung lalaki, iba yung babae, iba yung bading doon. Pag bumaba ka ng konti sa mga Gen Z, iba yung babae, iba yung lalaki, iba yung LGBTQIA+, eklat, iba yon. Iba pa yung mga taong they define themselves as plus dun sa LGBTQ, tama? So magulo po talaga. We are at that generational crossroads. We do not know kung saan papunta ito. As far as I know, ma'am, the world is making sense of what's happening. Kasi there was a point in time na pag sinabi sa atin ng tao na tawagin mo akong they, them because yun ang pronoun na gusto ko, takot tayong kontrahin. No? We are so afraid to make sense of what's happening. Pero ngayon, ang mundo medyo matapang na. Kaya natin kontrahin without repercussion. Kasi sa generation natin, nauso yung cancel culture na yan eh. Itong generation na to. Alright, at nandun tayo sa generation na yan, ma'am. Magulo ang generation na to. We are at that crossroads. We do not know what's the identity of this generation. So if we're going to micro-study, yung tanong mo po sa akin ngayon, ba't may mga taong ganon, ma'am? Yung mga taong mapanghusga, ma'am, hindi lang sa panahong ito sila nag-exist. They have existed for a very long time. It just so happened that the reasoning sa kanilang panlalait o yung kanilang opinion is more pronounced nowadays because they have the tool to be anonymous online. So anonymity is a problem nowadays. Anonymity. It's a double-edged sword. No? Walang ibang pagkakataon sa history natin, mga kaibigan, na sobrang naging problema ang identity security. Itong generation na to. So, I do not know how to answer your question. Ba't may mga taong panghusga? Maybe, nagkataon lang, ma'am, na yung mga taong panghusga ngayon, they have more avenues to air their stupid frustrations about the things that they have nothing to do with.
True. Tama ka, PPJ. Anyway, thank you so much sa early lecture.
Huwag ka muna mag-goodbye. May exam po tayo kasi nag-lecture po ako, ma'am. Okay, nag-lecture po ako.
Ang dami ko natutunan, actually. yung surface na nakita ko, ang dami kong na-realize right after you have said all those things. Tama nga naman talaga. Hindi naman sila nag-exist ngayon lang. So they have the comparison. At baka nga din, marami silang mga unhealed na mga kailangan nilang i-heal sa sarili nila at napoproject nila sa ibang tao.
Not necessarily true. Not necessarily true. These people na nagko-comment ng malala online, they're not necessarily wounded. They just have opinion and they happen to have a tool to air their grievances or opinions.
Lalo na anonymous. At saka tama ka din, TPJ, kasi napansin ko din sa mga grabe yung mabibigat na mga salita na binitawan. Most of these people ay walang pangalan, like numbers or letters.
Naman. Siguro mama you just
Tama.
feel for that couple kasi nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa kanila. Tama?
Tama.
Yun lang yun. That's the power of assimilation. You assimilate your personal experiences with them. And that's okay.
Anyway, thank you very much, PPJ, for your words. At for sure, yung community ngayon na nakikinig din sa'yo at nanonood sa'yo would also be happy sa sa paliwanag mo. Kasi at least, iba.
Well, I like these kinds of conversation. I like, kung nag-iingat lang po ako na ayoko nakikialam kung hindi humingi ng payo sa akin. So, but if it's about you and your own take, I'm okay with that. And I like conversations like this kasi these are witty conversations. I like your resolve, by the way. I like your resolve.
Yes, and that is why I'm calling you PPJ kasi I know for sure there are a lot of disturbed people around there who need to hear this and who need to watch this para maintindihan din nila kasi I know for sure hindi naman lahat ay vocal. Kaya nga 'di ba marami nang nadidepress and they have a lot in mind na bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. So, at least naging boses din ako for them. At saka para sa akin kasi, PPJ, hindi naman yun automatic. Yun din yung isang mali na kailangan kong sabihin din, no? Eto, kasi for sure, ang dami mo namang viewers na pag sinabi nilang, ay, pumatol ka sa third sex. Ay, ayun, ka na din, ganyan ka na rin. Like, lesbian yung partner ko. Lesbian ka na rin. I don't think so na I would label myself lesbian kasi for me straight naman ako, never naman din akong na-in love kahit kanino except sa partner ko. So, but again, the world is evolving. Siguro din, iba-iba yung pananaw ng mga tao. So I also respect that. Pero sa pananaw ko, no, it's not correct and it's not true.
Well, I think you're lesbian, but what does that have to do with how happy you are?
That's true.
I mean, my opinion should not define how happy you are with your partner. I really think you're a lesbian. You are with the same-sex relationship. Anong tawag mo doon? There
Para
goes.
sa akin, straight pa rin ako. Hindi ako lesbian. Kasi para kasi sa akin, PPJ, pag nag-ano ka kasi ng lesbian, ewan ko, hindi ko din ma-explain. Pero para
okay, you lost me there.
Or maybe because I am uncomfortable being tagged of an identity na hindi ko naman siya tanggap na ganun ako.
Tama yung sabi ni Fatima, this is all semantics. These are meanings of meanings. Walang pinagkaiba yan sa hindi sinabi ng Pangulo natin na aresto. Ang sabi ng Pangulo, nahuli, pwedeng napa-stop o napahinto. Diba? Laro ito ng meanings. So if you wanna define yourself as straight, okay. So pwede kong sabihin sa inyo na, hindi ako vegan. Diba? Gulay lang talaga kinakain ko. I could do the same.
Yes, siguro. Ganon. Anyway, iba-iba kasi yung perspective ng tao. Yun nga.
And I respect
Meaning
your
of meaning.
perspective, ma'am.
Oo. Anyway, thank you so much, PPJ, for the time
Yes,
na,
ma'am.
na makatawag ako and at least to also be heard and feel seen.
Well, I'm glad and I'm sorry, ito lang kaya ko, ma'am, but I like this kinds of conversation. This
Yes,
is
ayun.
very intelligent.
Salamat
no?
din, PPJ. Lalo na doon sa mga napanood ko na mga reels, sobrang laki ng impluensya nyo. I know palagi mo sinasabi, ayoko nang mapunta sa akin, gusto ko sa caller, but I believe this is also the right time din, no? Na kahit nawala ka man doon sa isang platform, I believe there is a redirection sa life mo. Mas wide ngayon kasi yung mga tao mas nakatutok na tuloy kung saan kayo papatungo ni DJ Cara.
Well, thank you very much,
Kaya yun,
ma'am.
anyway, you're part of my prayers, lalo na si DJ Cara. Pagpatuloy niyo lang, keep on, keeping on. God bless sa inyong
Marami
dalawa.
pong salamat. Thank you very much. Regards to your partner.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mag-ingat po palagi, ha. Bye-bye po.
Ingat po.
Bye-bye po, ma'am.
Salamat.
Bye-bye po.